Hello my dear students, welcome to the online class of Mamta Dili High School, Dhanbari Tangail. I am Delor Hussain, Assistant Teacher, English. Today I have come to take an online class on English first paper for class 9. In fact, in the previous classes I have explained about some critical rules on the rules of passage narration from direct to indirect. Now I have come to give my lecture on the English first paper, Unit 3, Lesson 2, and the lesson title is Mayday or International Workers' Day. Before starting my class, I would like to say something for the young generation of our country. Because of COVID-19, the students are not connected with books, so they have got a lot of free time. In this time, the students are wasting their time by gossiping, by surfing over internet on various online portals, especially YouTube. All these are good, but addiction to anything may be good or bad. Addiction to anything is not so good. So in using internet, all the students should be positive in their usage, and they only should try to learn a lot from the internet service. Besides it, most of the students are keeping bad companies which may hamper their future. In fact, all the parents of the students always try to get a better service or better of their future. The students or the learners of the present time are the father of the future country. That is why they should build themselves very skillfully, very lively. Their aim should be to develop the country, not to waste their life, not to waste any property of the country. Some students keep bad companies for which they also derail from the right path of their life. Some students are seen keeping bad companies who are addicted in smoking, taking yaba, taking afim, gazas, etc., which are very detrimental to health. So, in order to keep yourself free of all these evils, you should say your prayer regularly. You also should be free, should take or should keep freshness in mind. They should also think positively. All this will keep them aloof from the evil things, from doing evil or from keeping evil companies. Now, as far as I think, according to the lesson, Mayday is our title of discussion. Now, read the text and answer the questions that follow. According to the textbook, I asked the students or learners before me to open at page 31, in which you will find a text about Mayday. Mayday or International Workers' Day is observed on May the 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. From the speech, it is clear to us that in the text we are given a message regarding the Industrial Revolution. Before Industrial Revolution, the workers had to work for a long time, in which they were not given any resting time. That is why they had to fight with their feet, they had to struggle for a long time, they had to work for a long time, which was unbearable to them. That is why they started to revolt. Not only that, they also started to revolt for some reasons in which their low salary is also responsible for the revolution. Now the day when the workers of the time struggled and sacrificed their lives, the day is celebrated all over the world only to show respect to the martyrs who died for establishing the time for 7 or 8 hours work day in place of 14, 18 or 20 hours work day. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. That is, May the 1st is a public holiday. In this day, all the institutions, offices are closed, and this is done only to show respect to the people who respect to the workers who lay down their life only to establish 8-hour workday. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. That is, Industrial Revolution. During Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution took place in Europe and the US, in which the workers had to work 18 or more hours a day, which was very inhuman to them. On May the 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade union, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour workday. From the sentence, it is clear to us that in Chicago, McCormick Harvesting Machine Company, some workers started to violate their bosses and started to strike breaks against their time which they had to work for 18 hours. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Machine Company and about 6,000 workers joined it. 2 days later, workers' rally, that is, all the workers of the company gathered in a place, Chicago, and they started to make a procession or a rally against the company, McCormick Harvesting Machine Company. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. They asked the workers, that is their leaders, told them to stand together, not to be singular or to individually do something which will not bring about any effective result to them, and also told them not to give their ear to the bosses. At one point of the rally, some strikebreakers started leaving the meeting place. That is, during the meeting, some strikebreakers accidentally came out from the meeting, and after coming down from the meeting, some police attacked them with revolvers and clubs. At that time, one striker was killed instantly and 5 or 6 strikebreakers were seriously wounded and many others were seriously injured. The events of May the 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue. That is, the events of the May the 1st is really a memorable day because of that event, the workers of the present time are getting some facilities, and the workday or working hours is lessened to 18. It is the result only their struggle. If they did not do so, perhaps the present time workers would have to work 18 or even more hours a day like them. From the passage, it is also clear to us that if no one stands against the tyranny of their bosses, the workers will have to continue to be exploited until they stand up and they speak out to gain their better working conditions, better pay and better salary, better lives. So dear students, from the passage May Day, it is clear to us that International Work Day or May Day is not only a day, it is a day in which or when all the people of the world show their respect to the workers who laid down their life only to establish 8-hour work day, which really is desirable in the present situation. If the workers of the present time will have to continue their working time from morning to the late night, perhaps it would be considered as a tyranny to them. That is why their sacrifice, their contribution should be remembered now and in future. And as far as I think, if we do so, it will be very fruitful for the next time workers who are waiting for the present time. No more today. Best regards to you and to your parents, and study regularly and watch all the online classes regularly and do as the teacher say in the class. Bye bye. See you.